Hello, my name is Michael Lisi and I'm with WolfVision, and I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of how you can use our Cynap system to create a really powerful hybrid learning experience in a traditional classroom. I'm actually recording this video using the Cynap, and I'm going to demonstrate just how easy it is to launch not only a web conference, but also to be able to record what you're presenting or even stream that to another location or a room down the hall. So what you have is I have a USB camera currently connected to the Cynap, and then I have a dedicated computer that's also connected to the Cynap. I could click the little yellow plus sign and bring up another source, let's say a document camera if I wanted. And if I want to record whatever I'm doing, I just hit the three little dots and I select Start Recording. And it will actually record and save this file not only to the local system, I could save it to a USB stick, or I could upload it to my own cloud account, or I could save it right into Panopto or Kaltura. And that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just recording the system. If I want to launch a web conference, I just click the plus sign and I click Zoom. And when I do that, it brings up a request for my meeting ID, so I can type in a meeting ID, whatever that is. And I can also type in the name of my system. I'll call this the Cynap or whatever my classroom is, and I click Join. And so now I've launched a web conference, and it's calling into the meeting as we speak. It's asking if I want to join by computer audio. I'll say yes. I'll turn my camera on. And so now I'm actually in a Zoom call. And what's really neat about this is everything that I'm presenting to the screen in the room, I can simultaneously share with the students who are on the far side of my video conference. So if I wanted to share, let's say, that document camera, on the Zoom window, there's a little share screen button. And when I click it, it brings up my windows and says, what do you want to share with those students? And whatever source I select begins to simultaneously share that source with the students that are on the remote side of my video conference. It also puts it up on the screen in the room for my local students, and obviously, as you can see, it's now recording that content. If I want to record different content, I can click the little share screen button again, and this time I can choose to share, let's say, the local PC, or I could actually choose to share all of my windows. So if I want to share everything that I'm doing on the web conference or on my recording, I can do that very easily. The last element that's pretty slick is every one of these windows has all the controls I need for that source right there on the screen. So whether I'm wirelessly presenting to the system, or I'm physically plugging in a device, or maybe I'm bringing up a digital whiteboard, all the controls I need to drive this whole classroom experience are right here on the screen in front of me. When I bring out the whiteboard controls, I see everything you would need for a whiteboard, but when I click on the little button for my document camera, I get document camera controls. So really what's simple now is I can not only present to the students in the room with a very intuitive and capable user experience, but with one button I can either launch a Zoom call and share that experience with students remotely. I could record this meeting at the same time, or if I wanted to, I could also stream this exact same content to another room down the hall, perhaps for social distancing purposes. Again, I'm Michael Lisi with WolfVision. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out. My email address is michael.lisi@wolfvision.us. Or you can also check us out on the web at www.wolfvision.com. And this is the Cynap for hybrid learning, active learning, coming at you live from a classroom near you. Thanks a lot.